Hey everybody, we just wanted to give you a quick overview on the new Catalyst and how to search for classes for next semester. So the Catalyst page looks a little bit different, but the steps, I'm going to be honest, are quite the same. So you are going to go into My Academics. When you get to your My Academics page, you'll see this classes and schedule. And the first thing you're going to want to do is search for classes. When searching for classes under the term, you're going to put the term that you are interested in registering for. And under subject, it is NSTN, and that is going to pull up the UC Blue Ash nursing courses. Under campus, you might be tempted to want to put Blue Ash, but please don't do that, because what you'll find is that none of your clinical sites come up, because obviously clinical is primarily off campus. You do have the option to show only open classes or not. Be careful with this. If you're looking to register for a course, by keeping this checked means you're only going to see the options you can actually register for. So don't get your hopes up by unchecking this and seeing some things that potentially could be filled. So once you have your NSTN and your term of interest, you're going to hit search. And this is where you're going to find all the different clinical options. So we do have Nursing 2 that is going to appear first. And if you scroll down, then you're going to see our new Service Learning and Nursing course. And then underneath that is Nursing 6. So you've got lots of options here for you. I'm going to use an example of Nursing 2, but it's going to apply to all of them. When you go into a clinical section, for instance, section 002 is Professor Crittenden, and you say to yourself, I wonder what the clinical agency is. You click on the course, and it's going to pull up a separate class detail list. And on that list, if you go down, it'll tell you the clinical site down there at the bottom. Now, I'm going to give you the caveat we say every semester. We try to give you as much confirmed information as possible. Unfortunately, we are a guest at the clinical sites, and there are times where something happens where we get bumped, we get moved, or things do change. We do try to keep that to a minimum, but this is confirmed information as of this point, and we will communicate any changes or anything that we find out to the contrary as soon as we hear it. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. Jennifer.ellis@uc.edu.